Hey guys, so I am still a little bit behind on the witch casket, unfortunately. Today I have the June box to show you. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it's £29 a month and it is a UK box. They do post it worldwide. I'll put all of the prices that I know down below in the description in case you want to go and check them out. But yeah, we are just going to open this and see what is in here. I've not even touched it yet. I don't know the theme, anything like that, so we are going through it together. So like I said, this is the June box, and as always on the top we have our little booklet. So this just tells you about everything that is in the box. I'm not going to go off that because I'm going to show you, but just in case you do get it, that has like information on everything basically. So the theme this month is potions, and it looks like the colour scheme is black and purple, like lilac-y kind of coloured, I guess. So usually that goes through the box, the colour scheme. So potions and purple is what we have. And the first little thing right on the top that we seem to have is a sticker. So kind of rare that you get stickers in these. I feel like we don't get that many these days. This one is just a cute little potion bottle kind of sticker. It's lilac and a darker purple with like a grey smoky swirl around it. So that is our little sticker. And then as always we have a little mini art print. So this one is really cute actually. It's white with little potion bottles all over it. We have a little skeleton one in the middle. He's really cute. And also, if you don't want to use these as a print, they now do this on the back where they do a monthly manifestations card. So it says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? So if you don't want to use it as a print, you can use it as a card like that. Then next we have our spell kit. So you always get a spell kit, and this month is a calming bath ritual. It says it contains everything you need to wash away your stresses. It can also be used as a foot soak. So that's good to know. If you don't have a bath, you can just use it as a foot soak as well. So in here we have our instructions, which I'll hold up to you in a second. We have some passion flower and rose petals and some little amethyst chips as well. So let me hold this up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. And that was everything in the calming bath ritual spell kit. Then next we have a little box, and it says pentacle tea light candles. So it says tea lights are perfect for simple house magic and are a great way to attract what you need into your home. We chose white candles as this can be used for any spell. Set your intentions and visualize your desires met. So if I could get in the box, that would be nice. There we go, do it from the bottom instead. Oh, these are cute. Okay, so we have 3 little white tea light candles. I'm not sure this is going to show up great on the camera, if I'm honest, because it's all white. Yeah, not really. They do have, you can see a little tiny bit there. They have like an embossed pentagram or pentacle, whatever you want to call it, in them. You can see it a tiny little bit. Maybe it would have been nice if they had like a black kind of print on them so you could see it a little better, but yeah, they have like an imprinted pentagram in those. So we have 3 of those. Then next we have another little box. There is quite a few boxes in this one actually, and this one says Good Fortune Simmering Potion Blend. So it says an enchanting blend of jasmine, chamomile and strawberry leaf. Add to water and heat to simmer. Strain to remove the plants, which can be returned to the earth, and use the infused water as a good gratitude potion to anoint candles, altar tools or add to ritual baths, etc. So, oh, okay, so I'm not going to open this because it's just herbs in there, but that is a little brown envelope of the Good Fortune Simmering Potion Blend anyway. Then next I will do our crystals. So this month is quite a big one actually, and this is a blue lace agate. So it looks like this. It's just like a really nice kind of lilac-y blue sort of coloured tumbled stone. It has some white and clear bits through it as well. And for this one, it says it's the perfect stone to raise your vibration and encourage positivity, tranquility, harmony, and appreciation. Its gentle, soothing, and stabilizing energy encourages self-confidence and calmness under pressure. So that's really cute. That is our little stone for the month. Then next we have a pin. So you always get an enamel pin. And this one, again, is just a cute little potion bottle. It's got like a little crescent moon in there and a crystal as the cork. Just one pin on the back. Very, very cute. Quite a small one, that one. Literally like the size of my nail. So that is our pin. Then we have another little box. So this one says glass potion bottle. A perfect receptacle for your elixirs, potions, and herb blends. This can also be used as a spell bottle filled with things to represent your intentions and manifest your desires. Ooh, this one is really pretty. I think probably my favorite one that we've had. So cute, so unusual, like a little thin coffin kind of shape, I would say. It does have a pentacle in the middle and then like some rays coming off it, and the rays have like little crosses and star sparkles in them. It's definitely showing up a little darker on camera. I think that it's more of a light blue colour in person. I personally would have preferred if it was clear or black or grey, just because I don't have a lot of colour in the decor in our house, so blue's not really going to go with anything, but love the design and the shape and everything of that one. So that is our little glass potion bottle. And then we only have two things left, so definitely quite an empty box, this one. Not one of the more full expensive boxes, but that's okay, because usually that means that a good big expensive one is coming. So next we have this little pouch, and it's got like a purple potion bottle on there. And in here we have, oh, a cute little wooden spoon. So it actually is all wood, and it's got like a wobbly little handle. And then engraved into this spoon part is a little potion bottle. Super, super cute. I'm assuming that that's probably supposed to be like a herb spoon or to mix stuff that you're potioning, something like that. I wouldn't eat with that or anything. But yeah, that is a very cute little spoon though. And then the last thing we have before our scroll is an enchanting altar cauldron. So it says use this magical altar cauldron to brew herbal simmering potions, burn oils, etc. Okay, so I'm assuming it's probably metal or glass or something like that. Oh, I've got a feeling this is going to be cute. Oh yeah, very cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So we have two parts. We've got this metal kind of base part that a tea light candle would go on, and then we have this kind of like a pottery sort of bowl, says witch casket on the bottom, and it's like a black speckly matte and glossy kind of texture, and then that just sits on the top there. You'd put your water, oil, whatever you want to in the top, and that would heat under here like this. Very cute, very simple. If you don't practice, you could definitely just burn like scented oils in this and stuff like that. So that is really, really cute. I like that. I'm not sure I would say that it was a cauldron though. Enchanting altar cauldron. It's not really giving cauldron to me. Maybe I'm wrong, but just in my personal opinion, it's not giving cauldron, but it is really cute though, and it's not cheesy, so I like that. Very cute. And then last but not least, we have our scroll. Now, something that I complain about every time we get a scroll is that the sticker always rips the scroll. Now, not to say that they have changed this for me personally, but today it has a little band around it, which is so cute. Finally, we don't have to struggle getting the sticker off. We don't have to rip the scroll. Great that they've taken note on that, whether it was from me or anyone else. Obviously, I'm sure it's not just me that said it. It's not like a little rubber band or anything. It actually is like a hard plastic or metal little hoop, which is cute, because I guess then you could always put this back on and keep them rolled up like that. Very cute. So we got into our scroll easily. I will hold this up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. But this June scroll is an abundance potion. So yeah, that was everything in the Witch Casket box for June. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you all together at once. So we had our little potion bottle art print, the little potion bottle sticker, the Calming Bath Ritual spell kit, the Blue Lace Agate Crystal, the Good Fortune Simmering Potion blend, the little wooden spoon, the Pentacle Tea Light candles, the Enalter Cauldron, the glass potion bottle, and the scroll as well. So all of these items in the June Potions Witch Casket box. I think this one was okay, definitely not one of my favourite ones. Did love the little potion bottle, and the print was pretty cute as well. I really like this little skeleton guy in the middle. I would definitely say this is one of the lesser filled ones, but that is totally fine because like I said, usually that means that there is a big one coming in the next month or two. Everything was fine, just not one of my absolute favourite boxes. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I'll put all of the information for Witch Casket in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.